пониже.
A new modified version of the T-90S main battle tank stole the limelight at the Defexpo India 2012 International Land and Naval Weapons Exhibition, which opened in New Delhi. The tank features a more accurate gun, a new sight and even an air conditioner, which enables the tank to operate in South Asian heat and even in sandstorms, a common occurrence in the Indian deserts. The Indian Army has been successfully using the T-90S tanks for a long time. We consider such cooperation to be very important, which is why we have brought this upgraded version of the T-90S tank to the exhibition. The Defexpo India 2012 Land and Naval Weapons Exhibition is the first foreign venue to unveil the upgraded Russian tank. 17 other countries are displaying their new weapon systems at the New Delhi exhibition, which will last until April the 1st.